Most crochet patterns are written using many abbreviations and terms. We're going to check some typical patterns. Let's look at the first one. The R stands for round, Mr. is short for magic ring, or magic circle, magic loop. They are the same thing. SC is short for single crochet stitch. The ink here is short for increased stitch, which is work 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Let's look at the number in brackets. They are the total stitch count of that round. And this is how I draw crochet patterns. This is not a formal crochet chart, just to make the patterns easier to understand. Each little circle stands for a stitch. Here's round 1, we have 6 circles, which is 6 single crochet. And here is round 2, we have 6 increase worked in each stitch from the previous round, making a total of 12 stitches. Now let's look at the second one. The parentheses in round 3 indicate a group of stitches and repeat that for 4 times. So here is group 1. 2 single crochet in each of the first 2 sticks of round 2, then work an increase in the 3rd stitch. And followed by group 2, 3, 4. Totally 16 stitches for this round. Let's look at another one. For round 3 we have decrease. Decrease is worked in 2 stitches, and bring them into 1 stitch, making the piece narrower. So start by working 1 single crochet in the first stitch of round 2. Then work the first decrease in both the 2nd and the 3rd stitch, and then repeat this group in 4 times, making a total of 8 stitches. That's it for now. Goodbye.